Understanding the gain knob in audio equipment. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a term that's crucial for anyone interested in audio equipment or music production: the gain knob. Whether you're a budding musician, a podcast creator, or just curious about audio terminology, understanding this concept is key. So, let's get started and turn up our knowledge. The gain knob is a control found on audio equipment such as mixing boards, amplifiers, and interfaces. But what does it actually do? In essence, the gain knob adjusts the level of the input signal of the audio source. Think of it as the first point of control for the sound entering your equipment. The main purpose is to set the initial sound level, which can affect the tone and clarity of the final output. It's easy to confuse gain with volume, but they are not the same. While both affect loudness, gain controls the strength of the signal coming into the equipment, whereas volume adjusts the loudness of the output. Setting the right gain is crucial because if the gain is too high, it can cause distortion, and if it's too low, the sound may be too weak. The gain knob is important for several reasons. 1. Optimal sound quality. Proper gain setting ensures your sound is clear and free of noise. 2. Avoiding distortion. It prevents the audio from clipping, which is when the signal is too strong for the equipment to handle, resulting in distortion. 3. Control over dynamics. It gives you control over the dynamic range of your recording or performance. Here are some quick tips for setting the gain correctly. Start with the gain knob turned down and slowly increase it until you achieve the desired level. Keep an eye on the peak indicators on your equipment. These will tell you if the signal is too strong. Use your ears. Listen carefully for any distortion or noise. I hope this explainer on the gain knob has been enlightening and helps you make the most of your audio equipment. Remember, understanding and setting the gain correctly is a fundamental skill in achieving great sound quality. Thanks for watching, and happy mixing!